Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpan here, and today I have another ScaleTrains locomotive. As you can see, it's another AC4400CW. I thought I'd decide to get another one of these, just because you know how much I really love ScaleTrains locomotives, so I picked up another AC4400, and this time I got is a Southern Pacific unit, so it's numbered 142. So this one is just basically just in the standard Southern Pacific paint, because like one of them, like 146, has the Golden State logo of some sort, but so I just got a regular one. So because they still had a few other AC400s in stock on their website, but one of them being Southern Pacific, and I was planning on getting CSX, but I think they're sold out for DCC readies. So I'll just have to look on other retailers if I ever want to get CSX, like sometime in the future. But anyways, I'm really glad I got another one. So I'm going to just do a little bit of an unboxing of this, so see what's it like. So, quite simple as always, you just slide it off. Like that. I'm just going to set the lid aside. And you can see it's got the manual, product manual, and it's also got a foam package. So I'm going to set that aside, and there's the locomotive itself. Let me see. Wow. That looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, I'm going to get this locomotive out of the box and then so you guys can see what it looks like. So, you just slide it out. And it comes with a little Ziploc baggie because these are, I believe, there's our bearing caps. So then you just lift the top right here. And there we go. And open that. And there you get the locomotive out. So it's got these little supports here. So I'm just going to, it's got these things. Just got to take them off. There we go. And there it is. Look at that. So, there it is. It looks very stunning. So, I'll get this locomotive on top of the packaging, so then we can do a little bit of overview of this. So there we go. It's very nice, indeed. Alright, so as you can see, now that I got this out of the box, and everything, it's got really good details. Like it's got a tall snowplow, MU hoses, trailing hoses, LED headlights and ditch lights. Looks like there's a cab interior, and it's got windshield wipers, number boards are nicely done, sunshades, nicely done, everything, handrails, paint job is nice and crisp, love, and it's got and as I said before, since this is a Rivet counter locomotive, they have rotating bearing caps, and it's got a nice horn. You see, I believe that's a P3 because that's the signature horn for Southern Pacific. Details here, nice detail in the fuel tank. Just turn the locomotive around, and you can see here's the rear. Looks very nice. Lots of great detail. And we'll turn the locomotive around. And here's, you can see it's got see-through. You can see a see-through for the grills. Wow. And there it is. And then there's the locomotive bell. Everything. This is actually very stunning. And then I think there's a cab. You can see there's a cab interior. You can see the cabin side. And on both sides, you can see this side. They also got windshield wipers. And then there's the roof. Roof is nicely done. I can show you a better view of the horn again. At the P3. And if you look carefully at the wheels, you can see that they're factory painted. They're brown. I love these wheels. It looks like they're pretty much like factory painted, like how they were when they were first delivered. You can see the brown. This is like the first time the first time that a manufacturer's ever done that. So this is actually really cool. Let me show you the other side. Same thing. And I can show you. This is what it looks like from the underbody. And I'll give you a closer look. You can see. Sorry. I'm absolutely amazed. This is really cool. Because I'm not sure if they do that for all of their AC4400s that they did in the first run. Because I do have CP and now I have Southern Pacific. But the fact they had the brown wheels as what they were, or should I say, as delivered wheels, is just really a nice touch for ScaleTrains to add this feature. So it's very nicely done. I really love the detail on this. This is absolutely very stunning. So this is really cool. So anyways, I'm actually really glad I was able to make my purchase on the Southern Pacific AC4400 because, you know, because going back in the days, like, I grew up seeing like Southern Pacific a lot, but and then because, you know, UP still had a couple after when UP bought Southern Pacific, they still had a couple of like unpatched AC400s still running around. Some lasted until like the early 2000s. Some even lasted up to the 2010s because, you know, there were like about like 12 unpatched ones around the 2010s and such. Like some of them I caught was like, I believe 192 was one of them. But it was still nice to see that they were still running around. This still takes me back to like the 2000s and 2010s. So I thought that's why I recently picked one up. And plus, I just love the gray and the scarlet paint on Southern Pacific. So it looks very nice. So anyways, thank you all for watching this overview of the new ScaleTrains Southern Pacific AC400. I might leave a run by of this locomotive in action. So, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye.